Hey, 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 ice, drip, white, wrist, bad bitch.
He going in. Oh, he gonna park now and dance? Yo. He got the speaker, he going in. Look at this that just popped up. This is a beautiful Z4, aka Toyota Supra. Somebody's neglecting it. It's got bird shit on it. They done had it out mudding. Damn, at least they're using it though. Alright guys, so this is what the truck is looking like. This is what, day 3, day 4 with Beast, and overall things have been going well. What's up guys, TK here with TK's Garage, and we're coming to you guys live from CES. The show actually gets started formally for media, social media folks and stuff like that tomorrow. So stay tuned to all of the coverage that's going to be coming here from CES, from like flying cars to driverless cars to all kinds of stuff over here on TK's Garage. What is up guys? So some of you guys have been asking me for a little bit more of a clarification on what actually happened with that Ram 2500 Laramie. Now I'm going to try to give you my best, try to tighten it up for you guys here just a little bit more. Hold on one second before we go. Now, basically the truck should have never been offered for sale. They took it in on trade and didn't verify the title status in advance. So I hope that part of the explanation helps or kind of tightens all that up for you. All right, and let's take a look at a daytime look at Beast. All right, we got both side by side here. We got the 08 Aspen monstrosity Beast here, and we have Beast. Is that bird shit? No. Oh. All right. So this is the exact numbers, because I've had people saying like, is it an LT? Is it an LS? And this, ladies and gentlemen, is an LS. This is not an LT. You can see the seats now a little bit better. Now I did come with this aftermarket kit for, the rubber mats and stuff, which I was not a fan. I guess they armor all this shit before I took delivery of it, which that kind of sucked. Now even with my big old butt up front, there's still a lot of room back here. Now, again, I'm not a fan of, and look, they put these rubber mats back here too. Now, I have the stock mats in the back as well. Now, this does have the third row seat, the ability to get to the back, but the third row seats have been deleted. You got your AC up there in the ceiling, rear controls back here. You have a 120 volt plug here, and you have your cigarette lighter here, which is used for power. I don't know what this random screw is that's in here, but okay. Sound system in this thing is pretty good. I think I gave you guys a pretty good example of what that's working with. I guess this handle does what? Oh, folds down the rear seat. All right, which you can see I got my fresh pair of Jordans in there, and you can see the other mats and stuff back there, and then the paperwork and stuff that I had in the other car. Now the Audi. Now the Audi was able to be traded in on this deal. Let me see if this goes back some more. It also goes back. Okay, so you can actually lean the seats back some too. Okay, that's cool. Learning something new here. All right, there we go. Now, The tires on this are 235/65 R18s. You can see the nice tread. Now they say you have to rotate the crap out of these, otherwise they get inappropriate tread wear, and you know how that goes. Now, what do you guys think? I'm thinking about maybe a 2-inch, extra lift. You can see we got the stock. Looks like a full-size stock tire down there on the bottom. Let's take a look, shall we? Yeah, it's a steel tire, but at least it's full size. I mean, I'm not used to seeing like stuff hanging under the truck like that. Is that normal? I mean, my GM people here, you're gonna have to let me know. No automated lift gate, so this just lifts like so. It does have the window option. If I pop the window will pop as well. I do like the running board though. This hard metal half pipe cut thing is kind of cool. Your hands are friggin' clean. I literally just got into the truck. I'm trying to think, did I touch something on a tire or something? It doesn't smear. I just got this on my hand. I can't figure out where the hell I got it from. Now, how does she drive? Well, like most Tahoes or Suburbans, this thing is super smooth. I'm not new to the 5.3 V8. If you've looked here on the channel, you guys know I've done pretty much everything you can do to a 5.3 V8 with that GMC Envoy XUV that also had the 5.3 V8. Everything from the top end, like replacing the whole top end of that motor, to just basic stuff, water pumps, alternators, all of that stuff that you guys have seen. There's videos of it here, and I don't think I edited and published the water pump job yet. So I will publish that for you guys if you guys would like a how-to on how to do that. And actually, usually the water pumps don't get bad. It's just the gasket that goes bad. So here's the thing on this. This thing runs really smooth. All right. Now, if you look down there, let me zoom in here. You notice that says V8, right? There are times at speed, if you're just driving, let me get it up to 20. I think that's what I got to be at. So it gets to that next gear, that third gear, and now you see it drops down to V4. Now this is that Ecotech fuel management system stuff that GM is doing, and I don't have an opinion on it yet, okay? I'm not going to tell you it sucks, or I'm not going to tell you it's garbage. I'm not going to say that. I'm not going to say that it's, total trash, because I might get on the highway, and when I drive this thing back across the country, I might see that the gas mileage benefit is good. Right now, I'm averaging 15 miles a gallon, which is pretty standard for a 5.3 V8, okay? I don't drive my vehicles easy. I kind of get on them a little bit when I get on the gas. But this thing is buttery smooth. She does drive really well, I haven't had very many issues with this truck driving. Hold on one second, guys. I got to pause when I go through the gate. All right, there we go. Yeah, it's not legal, in case you didn't know. If you happen to be military or prior military. If you're military, you already know. If you're prior military or family of military, you'll learn that it is 100% illegal. You're not supposed to be using a video camera coming through or going out of a military gate. So the more you know. So we're out here for CES 2020. Now, not a lot of you guys are used to seeing like car rebuild. You might have found my channel thanks to my brother Randy over at Auto Auction Rebuilds. And I do that stuff. You will see me rebuild cars. I have bought stuff from Copart. I've done that before. I've rebuilt BMWs and all of that crazy stuff. You'll see that stuff here on the channel. But I want to give you guys an insight into some other cool stuff. So basically what I'm going to be doing over the next day or two, video-wise, is I'm going to give you guys a lot of upcoming insights into the automotive industry, right? So not just rebuild stuff, but stuff you might not see, like an exclusive first ride with a Byton. Now, I know you're going to be like, a Byton? What the hell is that? It's an electric car. And I know some of y'all are like me, and I'm like, I'm not a big electric car fan, right? I'm not, all right? But it's just cool to see the tech, the flying cars, the car that turns into a boat, which this is all stuff that's been done before, like back to the 50s and 60s. It's nothing new. But I just want to give you guys kind of like that first look. I know, look at this. This looks horrible on my hand. I can't figure out what it is. I want to give you guys that first look, that exclusive look at some cool stuff in tech when it comes to cars. Stuff that you might see 2-3 years down the road, and stuff that'll be coming out in 2020 for the 2021 model year on vehicles. I missed that dip. Anyways, so stay tuned for all of that. I'm going to give you guys as much coverage as possible from stuff here at CES over the next couple of days. We plan on leaving here, I think, on the 9th, heading back to the East Coast, which, at that point, obviously, we're going to have a road trip in the Tahoe. I haven't decided if I'm going to use the Tahoe to tow the Aspen or the Aspen to tow the Tahoe. Let me know in the comments below with the hashtag Hemi or the hashtag 5.3, 5.3 or 5.3. Which motor do you think should pull the other one back to the East Coast? Should I pull the Tahoe back with the Aspen, or should I pull the Aspen back with the Tahoe? Let me know in the comments section down below. All right, but basically, I'm on the way to meet up with some other YouTubers now from my technology side, or the technology channel that I have. Another reason why I'm here at CES 2020. So if you're into smartphones and crazy stuff and all that weirdo stuff, maybe it's personal care products that are now smartphone enabled, all kinds of stuff. You guys can check out my technology channel, youtube.com/Tommy Kelly. It's TOMMYKELLEY, and you can check out like the smartphone stuff. But to be honest, 90% of the stuff I'm going to film while I'm here at CES is all automotive. It's going to be all car stuff. I already have a press meeting, a setup with BMW. So for my BMW heads that want to see what that new M8 does, yes, we're going to see what that new M8 does. I'm also looking forward or getting a first look at some of the driverless tech that is going into the X7 this year as well. So I'm going to give you guys all of that, and maybe some crazy exclusive stuff with Hyundai. We'll see. So yeah, that's what's going on out here now that the car stuff is done. I'm glad I was able to give you guys some bit of a clarification on what the hell happened with the Dodge Laramie. I should have known better though. If we're just really keeping it a buck and we're talking, I should have known better, because I know they had just got it traded it in, but I guess I gave the dealer more credit and thought that, maybe they had already vetted the title and everything on that truck yet, before they went and did paperwork and sold me a max care warranty. Like, come on, son. Like, how do you not check to see if the title is clear, right? Or if the title says either or this and. Sometimes titles in states are a little different. You can have a vehicle and it can have your name or your wife's name, right? Meaning either one of you could trade that vehicle in and the other one doesn't have to sign for it. But if it says your name and you both have to sign for it, for the most part, when you trade a vehicle in. Some dealers are shitty and they don't care, but that's how the law works. But yeah, I'm looking forward. I actually have a Copart walk around for you guys coming here in Las Vegas with one of the other things that was picked up, and I have a big reveal for you guys on that. I think Randy's gonna want to probably have hands on this vehicle when he sees it. So I'm gonna have to, we might have to stop and do some stuff with said vehicle on the way back to the East Coast. We will see. And then I think we have a giveaway video. I think it's time for us to get this giveaway video up. We just gotta finalize some legal stuff to figure out how, we don't get screwed legally. Like if you buy, I say buy, but if you guys win a vehicle, if somebody wins a car and then they go out and hit somebody, and make sure that we're not liable for any dumb stuff, got to protect ourselves legally. But yes, there is a car giveaway coming here on the channel sooner than you think. It's going to be pretty quick. So anyways, guys, I just want to say thank you guys so much for the support. The growth of the channel recently has been absolutely amazing. And yeah, I'm going to keep doing what I do. I'm going to keep bringing you guys cool automotive content, mods and other stuff on this Tahoe, as well as the M5 and everything else moving forward. If you guys like the content, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to follow us over on Instagram, because I post a lot of stuff over there early at tksgarage. So it's tksgarage, all one word. And CES should be really fun. Let me know what you guys want to see from the new technology, the new stuff that in the automotive industry. If there's a specific brand, anything, you can go to CES.com, or you can look on your social media with the hashtag CES 2020 and tell me any of the automotive stuff you want to see, and I'll throw it in a video. Maybe even tag you in it. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. So yeah, we had to park the beast. Let me know if you guys, also before we get out of here, I wanted to ask you guys, let me know if you guys want to walk through, like, over the, you know, not the remote stuff, but like the tech stuff that this thing does, and or I want to know what the first mod is. I know some of you guys are probably going to say, remove that Ecotech crap. Let me know. Should I put a push bar on it? Should I put a deer feeder on it, like a big, a big bar across the front? What's the first mod?
She wants to know my like Zane. She wanna